So Tryon is about to put on his fancy skydiving goggles.
Yeah.
And we're gonna spin this truck around.
Yeah.
Sounded so sorry. We gonna spin this truck around.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good, boy.
But we're gonna see what falls off of this.
Come on, Bubba.
All right, seriously, enjoy the view of all the shit in the back of the truck.
Come on, Bubba.
We're going to
Get her done. We gonna get her done, boys.
We're gonna move around here so we get in a little smoother spot. We're gonna have to go this way now.
I didn't think she had it in her.
My engine just exploded.
That was way better than I expected, to be totally honest with you. I think I may have even made like a scared face for a second there.
I sure as hope. I sure as shit hope so. All right, here we go.
That's great. There's no shit handle I'm not using.
Hold on, Mikey. Which one's the brake? I fucking forget. All right, so the good news is there is another person on this piece of property right now, which means I'm gonna have to calm down. Otherwise, I would torture this fucker like a
Torture what?
madman.